Hello everyone, we are from Scan Your Bill team and we are going to present our capstone project. Okay, next. This is our team. From machine learning, there are Eldira, Rizky, and Ave. From mobile development, there are Trias and Abizar. And the last one from cloud computing, there are Fauzan and Roni. Okay, this presentation will be divided into several parts. The first one is background problem, second project scope, third competitor analysis, fourth implementation per learning path, and the last one application result. Here are several articles that explain that financial management mistake will result in overspending, accumulation of debt, and hindered financial well-being. To dive into our background problem, I will hand over the presentation to Eldira, who will explain our background research.
Thanks, Afer. In the next discussion, we will delve into the challenge users face when managing their finances. Through user research, we have identified key areas where a new financial management tool can significantly improve their experience. First, they find it difficult to keep track of multiple expenses and income streams. Second, there's tendency toward unnecessary spending, driven by impulsive buying and the lack of spending control. Third, user express fatigue from manually recording expenses, describing the process as a time-consuming and tedious. And this challenge leads to the following critical questions. How can I easily monitor all my expenses and different sources of income? Second, how can I avoid spending money on things I don't really need? And the third, how can I make tracking my spending less time consuming and tedious? To answer this question, I will hand over the presentation to Fauzan, who will explain our proposed solution.
Okay, so how we're gonna tackle the problems before? We created an app named Scan Your Bill. Scan Your Bill is a cutting-edge mobile money management application designed to simplify and automate the process of tracking expense and managing income. The key features and functionality we provide are automated expense tracking with OCR, automated item categorization, data visualization and intuitive dashboards, and budget tracker. And what makes us unique from others? If we look at the table, the split bill and money doesn't have any completed feature like scan your bill. Split bill doesn't have intuitive dashboard and automatic expense categorization and reporting. Money doesn't have report expense using OCR and automatic expense categorization and reporting.
Okay, next we're gonna talk about the implementation on Scan Your Bill application. The first part of the machine learning implementation is to build an OCR pipeline with Tesseract OCR. On the left side, you can see the original datasets from our own dataset, and on the middle, it is the result from the Tesseract OCR after we pass the original image into our OCR pipeline. It can detect and recognize text quite well. And then on the right side, we already parsed the OCR results into JSON and then pass it to backend. The next part of the machine learning implementation is to build an NLP model for text classification or categorization. Here we train the model for 100 epoch, and on the left side you can see the training and validation accuracy and the training and validation loss. Although there are some fluctuation in the graph, the model is quite close to convergence and it can categorize items quite well.
For cloud computing implementation part, we are focusing on creating infrastructure in Google Cloud Platform or GCP for both cloud computing and machine learning deployments. We have developed 20 API endpoints using Express and Node.js. Our cloud computing software architecture follow a controller, data, and service layered model. which helps in maintaining a clean and scalable structure. For deployment, I've used GCP Compute Engine to run our backend software. Our primary database is stored in Google Cloud SQL, providing a reliable and secure data management solution. We have stored photos directly on our Compute Engine instances for efficient and access and management. On the ML side, we have deployed our model using Cloud Run, a fully managed container service, and exposed them through Flex APIs, ensuring seamless integration and scalability. In summary, I design and manage GCP infrastructure, develops APIs, architecting software, deploy application, manage database, handle storage, and deploy machine learning model, ensuring robust and scalable cloud solution. Thank you.
For our Android application, we have four main features. The first one is the scan bill feature. Users can upload the bill from a camera or gallery. If the bill is successfully scanned, it will show the scanned item data and other details from the bill such as tax, service tax, discounts, and grand total. Users can also edit the product title and price if the scanned bill item is not the result users want. The second feature is transaction. Other than creating transactions from the bill, users can create transactions manually. Users can pick which category they want to use based on its transaction type. The third feature is the wallet feature. In order to create transactions, users need to have a wallet. This feature will create a wallet that the user can use. The fourth feature is the budget feature. This feature will create a budget based on the user's wallet. It will show the spending and remaining amount of money within the specific period. The next feature is the basic feature. The first one is the home page. This page will show you the summary of your transactions in the selected month. Users can search the transactions from this page. It will search based on the notes type and category that the user have inputted. The next feature is the profile page. Users can edit their PIN and profile details in this page. The last feature is the authentication. Users will be asked to put their username and their PIN password when signing up.
In summary, we have integration of machine learning models, cloud computing deployment, and a functional digital financial recording mobile app. And in the future, we would like to enhance our OCR and NLP models for more versatile use. We would like to expand our features that would help more users, and we would like to have partnerships with financial institutions, and lastly, more polished Android app for better user experience. That is all from our presentation. Thank you so much for your attention, and we are so excited to have you try and empower your finances with Scan Your Bill, which you can download at this link, risk.link/scanyourbill. See you.